Everyone, welcome, welcome. Hey, Tylac, welcome, Tylac, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Hey, guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. It is a holiday tomorrow for equities. I think the equity markets will be closed tomorrow. So we'll focus on Forex, take a look at futures and on Tuesday, we'll get back to equities. Okay. So Forex, well, let's do this. Um, let's go right here. The US 30, guys. The US 30. I want to show you guys here what's going on. Okay, we're in a very, very tight consolidation. We've been talking about this. Okay, we haven't had a buy signal on the US 30. This is on the 240-minute time frame. Okay, since what's that? December the 27th. Okay, so very, very tight consolidation. See here. All right. All right. So just be careful if you guys trade the US 30. Okay, you might trade on a smaller time frame. All right, but just be careful. We do not have any trades there on the US 30. So again, be careful trading the US 30. Hopefully after the holidays, it will open up again. Okay. Um, Basically same for the Nasdaq. We do have a buy signal here on the Nasdaq, but same consolidating here. Not as much as the US 30, but still consolidating. All right. And on the S&P, same thing here. Okay. So the market is taking a rest, right? Taking a break. Right. So just know that. Okay. All right. So the E-minis taking a break right now. All right. Forex. All right. Forex. We'll go through the current positions, and the current positions are working out well. All right. So we'll take a look at those. However, just keep in mind, all right. So we are consolidating in Forex, right? So daily time frame 240, which is where we normally trade. Okay. So we only have these pairs here that are above 20 and yellow. All these down here are red. All right. So on the 240-minute time frame, right, we have consolidation. I would say about 65% of the market is consolidating. All right. On the 240 and on the 60-minute, which we don't trade a lot on the 60-minute, we have a lot of consolidation. Okay, so don't expect a lot. We do have positions in Forex. We'll take a look at those positions, but don't, take profits. That's the idea. All right, so don't expect for these trades to go up really far in the markup phase. Okay, all right. All right, so current positions in Monster Scalper, long positions. Okay, so current long positions in Monster Scalper. All right, so let's take a look at those. We don't have any short positions, no short positions currently. All right, in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. All right, so first trade here. All right, first trade. All right, good markdown phase. Choppy in here, but good. All right, buy signal was here. All right, buy signal was right here, guys. It's now in the markup phase. Our target is right up here. All right. So this one here came down. We had some white candles, held support. I know it's hard to see right here, but held support. Nice big green candle coming in right now. Okay, so continue to hold the trade. All right, continue to hold the trade. Currently, this is for about 200 pips. All right, not bad. All right, 200 pips, considering the condition of the market. All right, so HKD JPY buy signal is here. Right, holding target is all the way up there. All right, USD JPY. All right, USD JPY almost identical. All right, almost identical. Guys, remember to bring in your trend lines. Okay, bring in your trend lines. This will help you stay in the trades. Okay, this will help you stay in the trades. Okay, so right here. All right, almost identical to HKD JPY. This is dollar yen USD JPY. Buy signal here, right here. All right, all green candles. Pull back, held support again right here, held support, nice big green candle, right? So continue to hold, target all the way up here, right? If we can get all the way up here, guys, all right, that's for about 800 pips all the way up here, all right? So it's right now, it's in profit about what's that? A little over 200 pips. Okay, great trade going there. CAD yen. Notice that the yen pairs are holding and moving higher. A bit of a pullback, holding right here. We need green candles to come in, move higher. Difficult trading here, though. Just keep in mind a lot of consolidation. Difficult trading. So we'll see if it can break through. It's holding the trend line right here. A bit of a pullback, but holding. That's CAD yen. All right. Aussie yen, same thing. All right. Aussie yen, same thing. A lot of consolidation. Now, keep in mind, these trades are, a little difficult, more difficult, but holding. All right. Came all the way down here to that, your trend line here. Big candle currently right now. We just need that buying to continue. Green candle, move higher, break through that resistance there. But overall, the yen pairs are definitely moving. Okay, ZAR yen. All right, ZAR yen. Same thing here. All right, buy signal here, holding. If you get a red candle here, close the trade. So buy signal here, holding here. We need buyers to come in and break through. All right, and currently the yen pairs are currently up. Okay, pound yen. All right, good trade going here with pound yen. All right, remember to bring in your trend lines. This is your markdown phase here. All right, no, it's choppy in here, but good trade going here. All right, so let's bring in your trend line. Here is your V, right? Your V here. All right, buy signal here, holding nicely here. All right. All right. Hey, Monica, welcome. Monica, welcome. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Target here. Now, this one here, guys, pound yen is getting close to that target. Okay, so just remember, sellers are sitting here. All right, sellers are sitting here. So it gets to that resistance. Keep an eye. You get white candles. All right, in this area here, red candles. Go ahead, close the trade. Take profits. Okay, profits. All right. All right. New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen. All right. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. This one here, guys. All right. Let's see here. You see here, you have a lot of resistance here. A lot of resistance here. Sellers are right in this area here. A bit of a pullback, right? Purple support and resistance, right? Um, White candle right here. Okay, we'll go ahead and close this trade here. All right, purple support and resistance. Trading below resistance becomes support. Buy signal here. Here it is right here. Now, can it break up? Right, break through there and keep going higher? Absolutely. But this is a concern. Just remember, sellers are sitting here, here, and here. So we'll go ahead and close this trade. If it looks better, let's say, for instance, overnight, all right. Let's say, for instance, overnight, this candle here closed. This here. Look here. Right. We might get back in. All right. But for now, if you notice here, we get in lower highs and lower lows. Okay. And the thing is, it's trading below previous resistance. Okay. So if you look here, and we got purple support and resistance here. So every candle here, it's making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. All right. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 white candles. All right. So, I mean, it would be great, guys, if we get green candles following that white candle, but purple support and resistance. So we're getting lower highs, lower lows. All right. So we'll close this one for now. That's the only one. New Zealand yen there. So let's close that. All right. New Zealand yen. NZD JPY. Okay. All right. and the others are holding fine. Dollar USD NOK, USD NOK, close that trade. That trade gave a sell signal, so close that trade. Now, the dollar index, let's see here. Just know that the dollar index right here, be careful with the dollar. It's in the markdown phase, all red candles right here. Okay, so we could see selling coming in the dollar. So any sell signals, close the dollar trade. Okay, eventually we could see the dollar move higher. Okay, but right now, so buy signal here on a break of resistance, right? Broke support here, right? Close the trade. White arrow here, that's your sell signal, all right? For a small loss, small profit there. USD NOK, please close the trade. USDS, USDSGD, this one is still holding, all right? This one here is still holding. So, hey, hold it. If it's still moving higher, that's fine. Buy signal here. All right. All green candles, very choppy in here. But right here is the price action and it's moving up higher here. But keep an eye on it. Target, all right, would be here. All right. So target would be right about here. All right. So hopefully it will move higher, but keep an eye on these dollar pairs. Dollar CAD. All right. Dollar CAD closed. All right. All right. So really good markdown phase. Buy signal is here. All right. Sell signal came in right here. Green candles here. So, hey, Betty, welcome, Betty. All right. If it gives another buy signal, all right, we might send that out. But again, we need that dollar index here. We need the dollar index here to at least give some white candles, green candles to see the dollar really move higher. Okay. All right. So dollar CAD, close that trade, please. All right. USD CNH. Right. USD CNH. All right. This one here is holding. All right. So buy signal here, trading above resistance, green candles here. So it's holding. That's fine. All right. Target is all the way up here. We could move this now. All right. So we could move that resistance right about here. All right. So if it breaks through, all right, and I know it's very, very choppy in here, but it looks like it wants to break higher. Next target all the way up here. So very choppy trading with the dollar pairs. Now the pound pairs doing much better. All right, so pound NZD, buy signal is here. Now, guys, these are not bad. This is pretty good trading, especially with the yen pairs also, considering the market. Okay. All right. So considering what the market is doing, just remember, right? And I'll keep going back here. So we see the condition of the market. Condition of the market on the 240 in Forex is consolidating. Right now on the daily time frame, we have it's trending a bit here, right? Trending more here, but 240, 60, a lot of consolidation. So these trades here on the 240, not bad at all. All right. So pound New Zealand buy signal here, trading up nicely, getting near, right? The first target right here. Okay. And this is for a little over 200 pips. All right. First target here. Keep an eye on it. Right. And the next target all the way up here. All right. That's pound New Zealand. Pound Swiss. Pound Swiss. Okay. Also looks good. Make sure, guys, you're bringing your V. Markdown phase, markdown up phase, bringing your trend lines. Buy signal here. All green candles. All right. I'm slowly moving higher, target all the way up here. Just remember, if that price gets to that resistance, this is where sellers are. Okay, so make sure you take profits, close the trade. At a minimum, take take profits on half of your trade. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. Okay, this one here, pound PLN. Okay, first trade was here. Second trade here, buy signal on the break of this resistance. All right, this one looks good also. All right, still early. Buy signal here, broke resistance, all green candles here. Next target here. All right, this is where we have a lot of consolidation. So if it gets to that area, all right, just keep an eye on it. white candles, even with white candles, you might want to close the trade. All right. So GBP, PLN, those pound pairs doing well. Okay. All right. Same thing. GBP, SGD. All right. Now with this one here, guys, we didn't really have a markdown phase. This is a break of resistance. So this is a breakout trade here. All right. Buy signal right here on the break of resistance, moving up nicely. All right. Hold on right here. All right. So let's bring in the trend line. And this is following the trend line perfectly. Okay. So bring in your trend lines to help you stay in the trade. Okay. All right. So buy signal here, moving up nicely there. Okay. All right. Pound SGD, pound CAD. All right. Pound CAD right here. This one reached its target already. All right. So here is your V. Let's make this better here. So we want to follow, remember the 4 market phases. Okay. All right, so mark down, mark up. Here's your buy signal here. Here it is right here. All right, it's right. It's right at your target. This is your first target here, second target here. All right, this is where the previous buy signal failed. Okay, guys. So right here, I would keep an eye on it. If you start getting white candles here, you might want to close that trade. Right, this is a concern here. Right, if it's holding all green candles, we'll let it continue to move higher. Hopefully, it could get all the way up here. But so far, great trade. Buy signal here, holding right here. Okay. So not bad, guys. Not bad trading considering, and that's a lot of trades here. Okay. Um, Pound HKD. Pound HKD buy signal here. White candle right here. Now, if you're in this, you want to get out, that's fine. Okay. We know the pound pairs are moving higher, right? Here, price is being squeezed. Now, this is a different type of trade here, right? We're looking for it to break out. White candle here, right? If we bring in that trend line, we can see, right? It's holding right here. That current candle is white, hasn't closed yet, right? On Friday, it was green right here. This is new candles, right? This trading session. Hopefully, right, it can break out. So this one here, we don't have to be in a hurry to get out. Okay. Hopefully here you can see white candles, big green candles. Buyers came in. White candles. Buyers came in. White candle here. Buyers came in. So we hopefully buyers could come in, break resistance, and finally break out of this area here. Nice resistance here. So if it breaks through, we can get big candles, guys, like this here. Okay. So I would just be patient, just hold on. Hopefully it is getting squeezed, this triangle. So we have a triangle here, right? Looking to break out, hopefully. That's GBP HKD, right? Pound dollar, similar. Pound dollar. Okay. Similar type of price action. A lot of consolidation in here. Okay. So again, we just need buyers to come in strong, break through that resistance. Okay. If it gives a red candle or sell signal, by your system, close the trade. Pound Aussie, another good trade here. Now, this is a little different. This is your markdown phase. These will be your higher probability trades. Okay, just remember that. All right. Now we talked about this in our traders mindset on Friday. So just remember, right? These we need sellers to come in, all right, to give us a good price to then take that price higher. Okay, so these are very, very high probability trades compared to this type of trade. Okay, different type of trade. All right. So pound Aussie, buy signal here, right? All the way up here. Just know that we're getting close to where resistance is. A lot of resistance here. Okay. So if it gets to that area, all right. Now I wouldn't take profits. Just let it run. All green candles. All right. Just let them run here. Be patient. All right. Starts getting a white candle up in this area, red candle, close the trade. If it keeps green candle and it breaks out, just stay in the trade. Okay. All right, that's pound Aussie, pound Aussie. So not bad trading. The only group, guys, to be, I would say, be really concerned with are the dollar pairs. We have $3 pairs here. I would, just keep an eye on those. Euro pairs. We have some euro pairs also. Okay, so this one failed. So EURSEK buy signal was here. All right, right. Came back down, didn't stay above resistance. Right, broke support here. Sell signal. Let me show you guys here. Buy your system here. So close the trade. So buy signal was here on a break of resistance. All right. So yes, it's a losing trade here, but perfectly executed trade. Buy signal here, broke resistance. Price came down, broke support, sell signal here, the white arrow here. So close the trade. EURSEK, close the trade, please. Okay. EURSEK. EURTRY continuing to move higher. Okay. All right, so Turkish pair, EURTRY, previous trade did extremely well. Buy signal was here, sell signal was here. We got another buy signal right here on the break of resistance. All right, holding along that trend line, green candles, just let it continue to move higher. Okay, EuroCAD. All right, EuroCAD. Go ahead and close this one here. All right, buy signal was here. All right, red candle here, red candle here. Right, trading right here, followed by a green candle. Just go ahead and close this trade, right? So we were hoping that it would break out here on this buy signal. Never really happened. It's back in this area here. Consolidation. A lot of consolidation, guys. Okay. So just go ahead and close that trade, right? You can move that capital somewhere else. Okay. Close that trade. All right. EuroCAD, close the trade. Euro dollar, same thing here. Red candle here, close that trade. Okay, close that trade. So clean things up. Okay. All right. Now, what we were hoping for here is this. Now, this is a different type of trade here. Okay. What we were hoping for. But for now, it's over. All right. All right, so buy signal here, sell signal here. All right, markdown phase, buy signal here, sell signal here, markdown phase, right? We were hoping to get, right, another move higher. We did get a buy signal, right? But guess what? So far, it's failing. Now, if you wanted to keep an eye on this one here, is what you could do. I would say close it for now. So we have resistance here. If buyers come back in here, right, green candle, break through that resistance here with a nice big green candle, kind of like here. It already has a buy signal, but boy, we have a red candle here that could break through and we could get selling like this. But if we get a big green candle here, okay, kind of like here, here, and here, especially after, right, this selling here, markdown phase, right? That might be an opportunity to get back in the trade. But for right now, right, we would close the trade. So euro dollar, euro HKD, all right, euro HKD, same thing. All right, so here was the trade here, buy signal here, sold here, bought here, sold here, markdown phase, bought here, sold here, all right, markdown phase, right here, red candle consolidating. Go ahead and close the trade, right? Protect your profits here. All right. Okay. Take a small loss. Wait again with this one here. If buyers, sometimes, guys, this will happen where, a day or two later, all of a sudden buyers are coming in again. Right. So, keep an eye on it. Have a triangle here, consolidation, and the market is consolidating. If it breaks through a green candle here, definitely, right, it might give you another chance to get in. Okay. So EUR HKD, close that trade for now. All right. The last Aussie Euro pair, Euro Aussie. All right. Very choppy markdown phase. Okay, this one here, buy signal here, all green candles. All right, moving up here, choppy though. You guys can see here, but still, all right, we still have a markdown phase. Markup phase, target is right here. First target. There isn't a lot of resistance here, so there's a good chance it could break through here and second target here. Okay, but I would just keep a close eye on it if you're trading this pair. Okay, so surprisingly, we have a lot of symbols in Monster Scalper. All of these are long. All right, so if you guys go here, all right, always pay attention to your system. So if you go here, you'll notice that, look here. All right, and those of you who've been trading with us for a while, look at this. All right, there are no shorts. Everything is long. Look at this, all this blue here. All right, so that's where the decent price action is on the long side. And then look at the consolidation, guys. All right, those of you who've been with us for a while, that's it. Right, that these are the pairs right here. Everything else all red, below 20, consolidating. So you'll notice a lot of consolidations on your chart. So um, for what do we have here? Not bad. All right, not bad. And some of these pairs are moving up nicely, especially the yen pairs and the pound pairs. Okay, forex dominator. Let's take a look at forex dominator. Long positions in forex dominator. All right. Aussie CAD long, buy signal here, guys. Just holding right here. A lot of consolidation here. All these white candles here. Look at that consolidation. Okay, but we'll hold it for now. We getting higher lows here. These white candles. We just need green candles to come in. Buyers to come in. Hopefully break through this resistance. All right. The next area, if it breaks through, next target area would be all the way up here. Okay, all the way up here. All right, that's Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD. All right, same thing. Buy signal here. A lot of consolidation. All these white candles here. All right, look at this consolidating here. All right, hopefully we can break through that resistance there. Okay, EURTRY. Great trade going here. Previous trade, buy signal was here, sell signal was here. Currently, buy signal is here, right? Breaking through, broke through this resistance here, holding all green candles, guys. Look at that. Great trade there. EURTRY. Okay. Turkish pair. USD TRY, another Turkish pair. Look at the previous trades. Great previous trades there. All right. Current buy signal is right here, following that trend line, holding right here. So great trades in Forex Dominator with the Turkish pairs. EURCZK, buy signal here, all green candles, right? So it's holding fine, breaking out of that triangle right here, holding that trend line. Just need to break through resistance right here. Previous trade did really, really well. All right. So just remember, a lot of resistance up here. Okay. But it could break through. Just hold on tight. Okay. GBP PLN. GBP PLN. Now, the pound pairs we are starting, you guys notice, right? In the pound pairs, good trade. Great trading with the pound pairs. Pound pairs, right? Yen pairs. So great trading in Monster Scalper. We are starting to get buy signals, right? In Forex Dominator, because remember, this is a daily time frame. So we went from 240 Monster Scalper daily time frame in Forex Dominator. Okay, so let's draw it out. We did have a buy signal. We send out this pick, right? This alert. All right, so here is your resistance. That's your first target. Remember, guys, to bring in your trend lines. Okay, so here's your markdown phase right here, markdown phase, and your markup phase here. markup phase right here, buy signal here, right? Broke resistance right here. That's resistance right here. Broke resistance, buy signal, right? Target right here. First target right here. Okay. So let it run. GBP PLN. All right. Also GBP SGD. All right. Same thing. Markdown phase. All right. All right. Previous trade did really well. All right. Now this one here took a loss here. Buy signal here, hit support, giving us a second chance right here. Breaking resistance right here. Buy signal. Here's our target. Okay. Now I know this is higher here in the markup, in the markup phase. But if we do this here, you will notice that it is moving higher. Price is moving higher. Okay. All right. Right here. All right, moving higher here. Okay. All right, pound SGD. All right, again, no shorts. We do not have any shorts. No shorts for Monster Scalper, no shorts for Forex Dominator. Okay. Equity markets are closed tomorrow. We do have in Monster Futures, S&P Trade. All right, so we're still holding this S&P trade right here. Buy signal here, right? Broke through resistance, holding above resistance. So I don't know if we'll get any, price action overnight. Any decent price action in futures. Okay, you guys know here we went over this earlier. The US 30 is in a tight consolidation. Okay, very, very tight consolidation. It is open, futures market, it's open currently, but very, very tight. Don't expect any breakouts, either to the upside, all right, or downside. Okay, same thing on the daily time frame. A lot of consolidation here. Okay, all right. So I would, our US 30 traders, keep an eye on it. If you're going to trade, bring in your smaller time frames. Okay, definitely bring in your smaller time frames in here. Okay, I want to go through. We have some extra time. Okay, so I want to spend some time going through equities, and I want to go through the current. No, we look to see what positions close. Now, I think the market, I'm not sure if it's open half a day tomorrow, if it's closed the entire day for the holiday. Okay, but let's go through these quickly. All right. Just stock boss, not bullmaster. Okay. All right. So current positions in stock boss. Now, we are still holding firm. We don't have any sell signals, okay, in on the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell, okay, but we're seeing some slowing, okay. So we did have a Christmas rally, right? You guys know that we had a decent Christmas rally, right? But pricing is it's slowing a bit. So let's go through stock boss and see, right, what we have here. All right. All right. Red candles will need to close the trade. So you'll have to close the trade perhaps on Tuesday. Okay. Red candles close the trade. Green candle, you can stay in. White candles, for now, we can stay in. If we get sellers come in, okay. See here on the this is a Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, Russell. All right, all green candles still firmly in the markup phase, breaking new resistance levels. All right, on all of the indexes. The only one is the Russell. Right, we have a white candle here. The VIX is at 1270, so that's good. Okay, we are noticing that, guys, there's some selling coming in here, selling coming in, right, in consumer discretionary, tech, transportation, utilities. This was all blue. All right, now we've got sellers coming in. So it's slowing a bit. It is slowing a bit. So let's go through these stocks to make sure, right, what, if we need to stay in, all right, start planning for Tuesday when the market opens. Okay, so AMPS, no, again, market might open tomorrow. I haven't looked. I don't know if the market opens tomorrow. If it's a half day, normally sometimes they'll do a half day or just shut it down. All right. So, but equities, that's the equity markets. Okay. So AMPS, guys, buy signal here, hit its first target. I wouldn't blame you if you took profits here. All right. A bit of a pullback right here, right? Hold into the trend line. Hopefully it will, we get buyers to come in again, test resistance and break out. Okay. So we'll leave it for now. Any white candles, right? We'll leave those for now. AMPS, that's holding. All right. ULCC, red candle. So when the market opens, close that trade. All right. Descent markdown phase here. This is too bad because this was a great trade going here. Buy signal here. Buy signal was at 496. Red candle broke support, closed that trade. All right. So ULCC, close that trade, guys. All right. UP, that's holding. All right. We'll go through this quickly here. All right. VLRS, that's holding, really good markdown phase. Look at this here. Buy signal was here. All right. Buy signal 726, holding at 846. White candle here. We need buyers to come back in, move that price higher there. Okay. All right, ZIM, buy signal here. Got to your first target here. All right, I wouldn't close this one. All right, all green candles. Let's see, right, if we can break the resistance, second target all the way up here. Okay, buy signal was at $9.02. Right, closed on Friday at $13.46. Okay, not bad there. All right, CLSK, good example here, guys. So buy signal here was at 505. Okay. Um, red candle came in on Friday, sell signal. So make sure anyone is in this, close the trade. So buy signal was at 5 and change, closed on Friday, $8.14. Close this trade. This is over. All right. Red candle, guys, we don't want sellers, right? When red candles come in, sellers, we've got sellers coming in, so close that trade. All right. CLSK. Okay. We've got 15 minutes, so let's see how many we can get through. All right. CLVT. All right. These are in stock boss. Okay. Buy signal here. All green candles. All right. Holding great. Just know that we have resistance here. Okay. So wait to see how it reacts. If we can break through, hold on. If you start getting red candles up in this area here, close the trade. Buy signal 747. Holding at 908. Okay. Also, COMP, that's holding. All right, holding here. Just know we're getting close to resistance here. Okay. So watch what's above. Always pay attention to what's above. Okay. HCAT, buy signal here. A descent markdown phase. Right. Holding fine. Resistance up here. All right. IREN, we need to close this trade. All right. Hit your target here. All right. Pull back. Red candle here. All right. Broke support. Buy signal was at what's that? $4. Close on Friday, 5:15. All right. If you were lucky watching it, you could have gotten out here too. All right. But no big deal. All right. Holding. That's holding. Now, this one here, PRCH. Okay. So, guys, buy signal here. Now, if you guys are trading this one, Buy signal here was at 95 cents, 95, 96 cents. Okay. Now it's at $2 and what's that? 64 cents. So almost three, right? What's 200 something percent profit? I would take profits here. Okay. It's reached its target here. It's reached its target. It's pullback. If you look here, this is the last time it gave a sell signal. Almost identical. All right. So always pay attention. All right. Always pay attention. Here was a previous sell signal. Here is the price right now. Okay. So you could get sellers to come in. All right. And push that price lower. Buy signal all the way. So this one here, definitely, right? You could take some profits off the table. If you want to leave a small position in, you can certainly do that. Right. Just in case it breaks through, gets to another target here. Okay. But the market is just getting softer right now, right? Not a big deal, but it is getting soft, right? It's moved up quite a bit, guys, quite a bit. Okay, the Dow has made all-time highs, S&P all-time high territory, so expect some selling. Okay, RXT, that's holding. USI broke resistance, good trade going there. Buy signal was at 377, trading at 641. Now, this one here has broken through resistance. All right. So I wouldn't take profits. If you want to, you can take some profit here, right? If you have have a decent position, take some profits off the table and then look for the next target, right? This one looks good. Hopefully to get to the second target here. All right. So USI. Okay. All right. Same thing here. VIAV, buy signal here. All right. Buy signal was at 844, trading at 1010 right here. Okay. Target is right here. Looks good to get to the target here. Okay. Um, just remember, gets to this resistance area here. Right. If it breaks through aggressively, guess what? We know buyers are continuing to come in. All right. If not, starts to slow down. You'll know by your white candles, right? Absolutely sell on sell signal, red candles. Okay. VIAV. All right. This one closed WULF. We were hoping, oh, that's too bad, that WULF, right, would give us another chance here to get at that resistance and break through. Okay, because we have a good upside on this. Good risk reward, guys. This trade here, the buy signal was at 160, 166. All right, look at the high here. All right, at $17. All right, so we're hoping that and did a really good job breaking through, but guess what? Came all the way back down. So red candle here closed the trade. All right. If it comes in again in heat seeker, all right, this is one we'll definitely need to keep an eye on. Okay. If it could get past this area, we could see it move much higher. Good risk reward, but we've got to close the trade. So buy signal here was at 165. It closed on Friday, 170. So close the trade. Red candle. We do not want this to happen, guys. All right. Sellers to come in aggressively or like this. So they will short this stock aggressively. So I just get out. Okay. Even if it's 170, it could go down to 50 cents. Okay. Or lower. All right. So we'll close it. All right. Got 9 minutes left. Let's see how many more we can get through here. And then we'll be done. AVI. All right. That's holding. All right, ATUS. So they are selling off some positions. Okay, so ATUS buy signal was here right at that resistance. We're looking for it to break through. Okay, white candles came in, red candle. Right, no bounce. Right, we got no bounce. Red candle closed the trade. So buy signal 322 closed on Friday 248. Close that trade. And this is a big red candle. So we could see sellers come in heavy, especially if we see selling coming in the indexes. Okay, so just be aware of that. Close these trades quickly when you get your signals. Okay, ATUS. All right, this one is holding. All right, this one is breaking out. Okay, so BDN, all right, buy signal here at 442, guys. Closed on Friday. All right, so 554. That's 1 point. All right, purpose, support, and resistance. So keep that in mind. But great green candles, really good green candles, making higher lows, following your trend line here with the second target here at $7. Okay, so not a concern, but keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on everything with the way this market is. Okay. BIG, all right, BIG right here. Buy signal was at 516. Okay. Target was here, never really got to the target. Closed on Friday. Red candle broke support. All right. So close the trade. So buy signal 529, closed on Friday, 638. Red candle closed the trade. All right. Remember, guys, when these red candles come in, all right, these are sellers, right? They break support. Red candles, those are sellers coming in. All right. So we've got to get out. All right. See here? See all that selling when they come in. So take those sell signals seriously, right? Red candle, we consider that a sell signal, just like our white arrows here. So, right, when it turns around like this, there's something going on, right? We don't have to know what's going on. Something going on. They're done. They're done buying, close the trade. So buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade. That's BIG. All right. We'll do a couple more and then we'll be done. Great trade going here. All right. HNST buy signal was at $1.41, closed on Friday at 284. Great trade. Now it hit our it hit our target. Here's our target here. I wouldn't fault anyone for taking profits here. Okay, so it's reached your target. At a minimum, take off some profits, right? At least 50% profits off the table. If you want to use keep a small amount, see if it could get up to this resistance here. That's fine. No, we don't have any white candles. All right, no red candles, no sell signal, but boy, it's right at support right here. And look here, it's making lower. Look here. This will be the last one here. Okay. So if you look here, right, it's making lower highs, right, lower highs, lower lows. It's right at support here. We could get sellers to come in. A big red candle. Now it's in good profit, all right, and it's reached the target here. This is where sellers came in before, right? All here. Sellers are sitting right here. Okay, so not a bad idea to take profits here. Okay, all right. Um, Sectors. Quick look at sectors. Let's go through the sectors, see what the sectors are doing, and then we'll be done. Okay. So financials holding, home builders holding, healthcare holding. Good price action, guys. All right. But again, this market has been running for a while. Okay. These stocks that you see, a lot of these stocks we've been adding for months now, 3 months, right? Almost 4 months. What's that? Consumer services. All right. Holding. Telecom holding. But look here. Here is resistance here. Buy signal was here, right? We can get sellers to come in, right? Biotech holding above resistance. Technology, right? That's holding. Industrial holding. Real estate holding. Consumer staples holding, right? We have some room to get to the next resistance here, to this resistance level here, okay? Consumer discretionary, all right? It's stalling here. That's a concern, right? Here is resistance here. This is the last time we got to this area here. Sellers came in. All right. So white candles here, purple support and resistance. Good chance sellers could come in here. Okay. So be careful. Um, Materials holding, gold holding, surprising gold is holding there. Utilities, right? Breaking down a bit there. Okay. Silver, nothing here. And energy, nothing here. Okay. So I'm not saying that it's done. All right. We could get one more push higher, but remember, it's been running for a while. Mark's been running for a while. Here's the all-time high on the Dow. We broke through the all-time high on the Dow. This is on the weekly time frame. Okay. So wouldn't surprise me, guys, if we see sellers come in here, get back below here. All right. Um, and it is what it is, right? That's not what we're seeing yet, but just be aware of that. That can always happen, especially when we see some of these stocks close. Okay. All right, guys. Hope this helped. All right. I'll see you all tomorrow. We will have an evening class tomorrow. Okay. But you know, we'll see what Forex does. Don't expect a lot of volatility. All right. A lot of movement, right? Or especially our US 30 traders. Okay. I don't think there's any data coming out to help move the market. So just be careful out there. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, David.
Bye, Tylag. Bye bye. Take care, guys.